Oh, those people are fighting in that car.
Was the girl doing this?
No, the guy was like, I thought I didn't do anything. I didn't touch her.
I don't know why she's texting me.
Yeah, I don't know why she even got my number.
Never seen her before.
Close to 1967. Launch response to 2100 block of 22nd Street West.
Should we cut a lap? See what's cracking?
Truck versus pedestrian. City police are on scene.
1967, copy that.
Call comes in for a car versus pedestrian on 22nd Street.
This could be good.
Well, this is a fast road and people are always ripping across it.
That's a very fast, busy road, which means that the patient could be very seriously injured.
Is this our patient?
We arrive on scene, there's multiple police cars and bystanders, and what appears to be our patient just standing in front of one of the police cars.
Did you get hit by a car?
My chest doesn't hurt.
My head doesn't hurt. Shoulder, he said.
Oh, okay.
I don't see any obvious trauma on the patient. He appears to be intoxicated, and I notice that the cops have him cuffed.
Do you mind if I check you out? Make sure you're okay?
Go ahead.
Okay.
It's not good, or?
Well, he said a mirror hit him.
And he
I
turned
think
off
he's just under
that
the
way.
influence of something.
I'm not under the influence
No?
of anything.
No? Well, how come you're acting all weird?
Did you guys see what happened?
Yeah.
You saw him get hit?
Yeah. We live up there. We saw, yeah, it was just up here. We heard him banging on the door, so we came out right away.
Bystanders tell me that they see the patient run out into the street, into traffic. He was yelling profanities and throwing things.
This way, went around, then he came onto the road. He went and stood in front of a white car that was coming this way, and then he sped up, and then he clipped them.
At least one vehicle went around him before he was clipped by a mirror of a passing truck.
And he hit the ground. And I think he was out for like a good five minutes.
So I need to ask you this. You're not in any trouble or anything, but I need to know, have you taken any drugs or alcohol tonight?
No.
The patient doesn't want to admit that he's been drinking, but obviously he has.
Are you lying to me? Because you smell like you've been drinking. Okay, so why didn't you say that? Can I get you to sit right here on this mat? Watch your head when you stand up, okay? Just alcohol? Methylphenidate.
Methylphenidate is also known as Ritalin.
Have you done that lots before? Or what?
When I was in jail.
Some people will grind it up and snort it, and it will have the same effect as cocaine.
Are you able to sit up for me?
This gentleman's very lucky. A lot of high-speed traffic going down this road. His injuries aren't as bad as we thought they could have been.
Can you swallow?
Yeah.
Good job.
Really, it had a potential for it to be way, way worse.